Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this device. So to do this, you have to open at least 2 different applications on your device's screen, and then grab the top bar of one of them, and then drag it to the top of your screen and select the positioning for this window. For example, I will position my folders, my file explorer here, and then I can select my browser to be placed right here. And I can use both of these applications at the same time. And this way you can place up to 4 applications, 4 windows on your device's display. And that's basically how split screen works on your PC. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.